Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hello again everyone, and for those of you that are new to my channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome to my YouTube family. And for those of you that are returning, what's up? I hope you're all doing very well, and for those of you that are in the States, I hope you had a happy and safe Thanksgiving. And to all of you, I wish you all the best during this holiday season. So today I've got a few things I'm going to be showing you. One is a Happy Mail, and I'm not quite sure where this came from, but we'll find out. I also have a tray here I'm going to show you, and a package here that I got from Crashly. So let's go ahead and talk about the tray and this package here first, and then we're going to open up this Happy Mail. And it's a big painting, so it's going to be huge. So first of all, I'm going to talk about this beautiful tray that I got from a good friend and YouTuber, Dreamer's Craft Corner. Thank you again, Dreamer, for sending me this beautiful tray. I love it. It came from Nick's Notions, and it is a submarine tray. I love it. But I wanted to show you all this beautiful tray, and that is, again, from Dreamer's Craft Corner. Thank you, Dreamer. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. The other thing we're going to open up is this, and again, I got this from Crashly's Etsy site. So let's take a look real quick. Now, I did pay for this. This is not Happy Mail, but it's still Happy Mail because anything coming from any store is Happy Mail to me. So let's get this opened and take a look. Holy smokes, what did I order? Okay, so we have our inventory sheet slash invoice sheet. Just put that off to the side. Oh, look at this, a nice little organza bag with, looks like washi tape and a cover minder. Ooh, look at this washi tape. Isn't this gorgeous? Sorry, there it goes. My camera can be a bit fidgety. Sorry about that. Isn't that beautiful? And yeah, Jene, keep it in frame. So, gorgeous. Thank you. And then here is the cover minder. Oops. It looks like an ice cream cone. It's cute. Like it. Okay, so I got some envelopes here. And what I purchased was some release papers. So here's the first one. I thought these were really cute. I love the patterns. This one is parrots or parakeets. And we have, oh yeah, gotta have the margaritas and all the other alcoholic beverages that you like. This is for Christmas. So we got some silver snowflakes. And these are really pretty. Butterflies. Isn't that gorgeous? And of course, my camera's like, no. There we go. Sorry about that. She's got something else here, so let's take a look. Thank you card. Oops, wow. Whoa. Deborah, thank you for your ordering. Love Crashly. Thank you, Crashly. That was really, really sweet. And she's got some stickers here. We all like our stickers. and some more release papers. This one just says Crafts with Crashly. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, we got another sticker here. Superhero. Okay. What else did she bring? Oh. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this off to the side. Now, I saw Maritza from Kiss My Crafts do an unboxing on Crashly's beautiful release papers, and I thought I have got to get some. So that's why I purchased these. Again, thank you so much. They're beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's put this off to the side. And now, the big one. Let's get into this box because I have an idea who sent it, but I don't want to say just yet because I'm not 100% sure, and you know, just want to make sure about this before we make that announcement. Come on. Oh. I have to say, it is packed very nicely. It wasn't going to go anywhere, so it's in a good sturdy box. It's taped up very nicely. Okay, I know who sent this to me. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. This comes from Evermoment. A good friend of mine that lives in Florida sent this to me as a gift, and I'm really, really excited to take a look at this one, if it's the one I think it is. So let's take off this beautiful ribbon. You can't miss an Evermoment packaging, I'm telling you. They really know how to package their product. I can hear people saying, no, don't cut the ribbon. But I don't think I would have been able to get it off. All right, so let's just start pulling some stuff out here. Oh, wow. Now, it's been a while since I've gotten anything from Evermoment, so... And this thing is packed to the hilt. I mean, it is not coming out. Ooh, they got scalloped edged... Ooh, even... Oh my gosh, they got poured glue? Wow. Okay, this is not wanting to come out. Oh, here we go. Oh. Okay, that's everything in the tube. Oh, it has been a long, long time since I've purchased from Evermoment, and I'm telling you, this is like opening a Christmas present. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Woo, look at this image. That is what's in the box. Isn't that beautiful? Now, this has pull away pre-cut labels. Very nice. Put that there. It also comes with release papers. 2 tool kits with the macaroon wax caddies. Their famous bags. I love their bags. And 2 rolls of washi tape. So we've got a really beautiful dark aqua and a really beautiful fuchsia pink. Oh man, look at this thing. It's huge. What size is this? This is a 70 by 70. And For those of you that have not purchased from Evermoment only sells, from what I remember, only sells squares. So this is a full square. 3 bags of drills. But let's, wow, their canvas is really nice too. I don't think I'm going to need to roll this the opposite direction, to be honest. Let's see if it'll lay out flat. Well, I'm struggling a little bit, but it's not too bad. Wow, this is nice. I'm just really shocked. I have to be honest. I'm shocked. Let's put all this stuff out here. I'm just going to give this a little bit of time to straighten out on its own. And let's take a look at some of these colors. Now, they used to come in pillow form, but now they are in ribbon form. Now this tells you how long it's been since I've purchased from Evermoment or received anything from Evermoment. But how many colors does this have? I didn't even look at that. Holy smokes, 70 colors. Oh, jeez. Now I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm really impressed with the way they have things set up now. I'm telling you, if you've never purchased from Evermoment, they are the ones that have the nicest square drills I think I've ever worked with. But, I mean, look at this color. You have to see this color. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful. And that is $8.20. Now again, I'm not going to go through all of the colors, but I'm just going to show you some. Let's see what we got in this bag here. 70 colors. Oh my God. I'm up for a rude awakening, I think, with this one. Let's take a look at this one. See what we got. I mean, just look at this color palette. It is just gorgeous. Oh, Notorious 310. Wow. Look at this blue. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of blues in this painting. Oops. And then here is the last one. Whoa! They're all flying at me. Okay. So again, beautiful color palette. Ooh, look at that blue. Yes. Isn't this gorgeous? I love blues, but purple is my favorite. Beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Look at that. $5.50. Isn't that beautiful? There we have it. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera briefly, and then we're going to jump into the business, take a look at the drill area. Let's see how tacky it is, and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, we're back, and I'm just going to bring up the drill area so you can take a look at it. It looks very clear. Very clear. And I'm telling you, this canvas is a self-straightening canvas. You don't have to roll it backwards. Give it a few minutes, walk away from it, look over your stuff. As you're doing that, it'll flatten itself out. Very nice. I mean, I remember the days where this was double-sided adhesive, and oh, was it? Well, unless you enjoy doing canvas repair, which I didn't. So, oh yeah, very tacky. Yeah, and I like their protective sheet. It's a thicker sheet, so I don't have to worry about it tearing. Very, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom the camera back out. And we're going to take one last look at this amazing image. And here it is. This is going to be beautiful. Now, it only has the one schematic, which is over here, which is okay. And this painting, as I said, is a 70 by 70 full square. This one has 70 colors. And it looks like it's going to be kind of confetti heavy, but lots of color blocking on the top. Very impressed. Very impressed. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this. It'll probably be my next painting to do. And as I said, I received this from a friend that lives out in Florida. You know who you are. Thank you so much for the gift. I can't thank you enough. It's gorgeous. With that being said, always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and always stay happy. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and we'll talk again real soon. Bye for now.